Bago tayo magsimula, ipapromote ko lang. Aking mga power bracelets, available po ito sa Shopee at sa TikTok. But most of my power bracelets are available sa Shopee. So, lahat po yan ako yung gumagawa. Meron tayong mga protection bracelets. So, this is a combination of fire agate and lucky red string, which I have been using for more than 4 years na. And then, meron tayong dalawang klase ng obsidian evil eye. We have the smaller version, which is the 6mm bead and the 8mm bead. This is good for warding off negative energies around you. And, of course, yung mga evil eye. And then, we have the anti-evil eye bracelet. So, para to sa mga anti-inggit, ganyan, sa paligid nyo. And then, also, we have the selenite evil eye. So, the good thing about this is multi-purpose na siya. Kini-cleanse na niya yung energies around you. And also, yung mga kasama niyang bracelets, cleansing and recharging as well. So, just like this one. Ayan. And then, we have other bracelets for other intentions and manifestations. So, meron tayong authentic malachite. This is for healing and also attraction of money and transformation. And marami pang iba. Meron din tayong chakra bracelet for balance. And we have the tiger's eye for courage. We have howlite for concentration and focus. We have rose quartz for attraction of love, self-love, and of course, amethyst for intuition, healing. Ayan. Lahat ng bracelet may kasama ng instruction leaflet, extra string, and a cute pouch. Ayan. Meron din ako mga bagong products sa aking shop. Ito yung intention oils. It comes with 2 sizes. Meron tayong dropper, which is 15 ml. Meron tayong roll-on na 5 ml. So, you can use this for manifestation ng prosperity and protection. So, while you are doing affirmations. And ito naman, you can, multi-purpose to, pwede mo rin itong gamitin when you are setting intentions. You can put this sa iyong candle if bago ka mag-set ng intention. So, this is for prosperity and protection na. Meron din akong spell jar for protection and prosperity. So, these are limited items lang kasi konti lang nagawa ko dahil lahat to ay chinarge ng super full moon nung full moon in Pisces. So now it is available. I think 5 to 7 pieces lang yung available for each. So lahat yan nasa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for September 18 to 24, 2023. This is a general reading, so maaari kayong makarelate. Maaring hindi, just take what resonates. Panoorin niyo rin yung Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs ninyo. Para sa iba pang mensahe, meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, let's see what's up, Pisces, for you this week. For Pisces, September 18 to 24. Pisces, Gazelle. Change of direction. Ooh, okay. What else? Lion. Lion is about strength, courage, and also justice. So, tingnan pa natin. Divine feminine. Wow. So, this is fulfillment of your dreams and being open to the divine. So, this is also receiving something. So, maaaring meron kang i-receive na blessing ngayon, Pisces. Or mas magiging connected ka sa iyong divine feminine. So, divine feminine is about creation, no? Being able to express your feelings and your sensitivity. So, ito namang Gazelle is a change of direction, being agile, being strong to take a different route, no? So, maaring iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga plano na nababaguhin dahil alam nyo na merong mas magandang opportunity for you to get there, to go there, alam mo yun. And itong Lion is this is about justice and karma, prevailing justice. So, I think, for some of you, kung merong sa tingin nyong hindi naging makatarungan para sa inyo in the past, this week you will feel and you will receive justice that you deserve. Okay? Kung sino man yung umagrabyado sa'yo, whether nakikita mo o hindi, yung justice na yon ay makukuha mo na. So, can be a karma for those na may nagawang mali sa'yo. So, it's time for you to also let go of that, no? Yung energy ng past, para ma-release mo na rin yung pain, yung sama ng loob. Kasi eventually, these people will get what they deserve, no? Kung ano yung dine-deserve nila. And it's time to focus on your femininity, yung sensitivity mo, and to nurture, to take care of yourself. So it's time for you to take care of yourself. Self-care, self-love. Okay, let's see what else. For Pisces, September 18 to 24, you have the Knight of Cups. Merong hihingi ng tawad sa'yo. Oo. Or someone is feeling sorry about nagawa niya in the past. So, I think isa yan sa divine justice na makukuha ninyo this week. And for some of you naman, merong kayong ma-attract na person sa buhay nyo na nakikita yung what is deep within you. Hindi lang siya on the surface, hindi lang siya sa panlabas, but what your heart really is. Oh, diba? The Lovers. Some of you are going to enter a romantic connection, romantic relationship with the Empress here. So, divine feminine, diba? The Empress. This is also about creativity. Yung iba sa inyo, baka mabubuntis, makakabuntis. So, if that's not yet part of your plan, be careful. Pero kung plano mo na yan, then go ahead. Diba? This is also abundance. Nakakatuwa kasi I'm sensing or seeing someone na being connected with your soulmate, your romantic partner, ganon. You have the 7 of Wands. You are someone na kaya mong protektahan yung sarili mo. And you will not let anyone hurt you. Kumbaga parang you have learned from your past. You have learned from your past mistakes, yung mga decisions mo. So ngayon, very careful ka. Yun nga lang, maaring you become parang masyadong defensive, no, sa person na makikilala mo or nakilala mo na to, pwede rin kilala mo na to, na merong romantic connection or interest sa'yo, pero parang pinipigilan mo. This is something that you need to work on sa sarili mo, especially if you need to let go or to release anything from the past na nag-hold back sa'yo to get into a relationship. You have Moon in Libra in the 7th house. Oh my God. Pisces. I'm seeing a relationship talaga sa inyo. For most of you, romantic relationship. And for some of you, this is business partnership with Mercury in Capricorn in the 10th house. Because 10th house is the house of career, your reputation, your job. Okay? So, maaring kayo ay papasok sa isang business partnership. But for some of you, meron ditong papasok sa isang seryosong relationship. Or someone might be proposing sa'yo. Or ikaw yung magpo-propose. So, just take whatever resonates. You have the owl. Ano ba yan? Detach your emotions from situations that you cannot control. Although you are connected to your emotions, alam mo rin kung paano i-detach yung emotions mo sa mga bagay na hindi mo na kayang kontrolin. because, you just have to let that go. Frog, you are stepping into your own power. Don't take a back seat in your story. It's time to step up. Yes, you are gaining control of your life right now. Alam mo na kung ano yung gusto mo. And you will not take anything less than what you deserve. Okay? So, that is your reading, Pisces. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Pisces. See you again.